Ariel, your realtor. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I am a licensed real estate professional operating out of the beautiful Caribbean island of Jamaica. And on this channel, my aim is to try to educate people a lot about real estate in Jamaica, and also do a bit of features on some of the things that we have here in Jamaica. So it might be beaches, it might be some of the heritage sites, some of the things that even as locals we don't always explore. But as a real estate agent, from time to time I end up in some places that may be a stone's throw away from a great house. So the idea is to do a feature and expose a lot of that, bring it to light to our generation. Most of us really never paid attention to it before, so that's a big part of what I'll be doing. Hopefully you'll enjoy the journey. If I do some videos and you like them, I'd appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. It does a whole lot for the YouTube algorithm, expose it to more people. And if you like it, naturally, I'd appreciate if you share it to at least one friend. That's also great. Consider subscribing to the channel, and of course turning on that notification bell so that YouTube will advise you when we do more videos. So just to put it into context, so on my channel we get a lot of relevant information for real estate. A lot of it will be targeted in terms of Jamaica, and also we're going to focus a lot on Jamaica and what Jamaica has to offer, some of the things to do, some of the places to see, some of the people you interact with, and over time I may also be able to do small features on some of the SME companies, some of the smaller companies that don't always get a highlight or can't do a big ad on TV. We sit down and talk with them, anyone that I support, and I think that you may consider supporting as well. So again, thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you will see something you like, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, see you at the next video.